guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mo. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. So guys, today I have a little mini teeny weeny haul for you guys. I guess you guys could learn from previous video. I start my hiking journey, okay? It's something that I've always wanted to do. I love nature, yeah. I love nature. I love anything about nature. I like to be in the mountains. I like to be in the valleys. I like to be in the hills. I like to be in the ocean. Anything nature, you could call my name. Call my name. I'm gonna be one of those girly. I'm gonna be that nature girl. You know what I'm saying? Let me start. Anyway, guys, I have a few things came in from Amazon. Actually, I didn't buy these for myself, okay? Someone bought them for me because I start hiking, and you know how it goes, you know. So someone stop it. Sorry, guys. My baby decided he's gonna kick the tripod because he does whatever his mind tells him to. Anyway, back to the situation at hand. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys really quick what was sent to me for my hiking. Today's Friday. Tomorrow morning I will be going hiking again for the second week in a row, and I choose these stuff, of course, so I'm excited to see how they turn out. All right, guys, so the first thing I got was some hiking socks, of course, because sorry baby, sorry. You want mommy kiss it? Come, mommy kiss it. No kiss for mommy. Don't take it out. Alright, guys, so I got these 1 2 3 4 5 6. So last week what I discovered, I went hiking and I used my regular sneakers, which was mesh, comfortable, however, and then I had on these black socks, and literally when I came home my toenails was completely black. I don't know why. I don't know if it's all the walking. I don't know what was happening, but all my toenails was completely black. So I decided I'm gonna actually get me some hiking socks, girl. And this was, I didn't know what to buy, to be honest, but this was one of the more highly rated ones, so I choose this one. It is the Dickies Women All the Comfort Dry Tech Crew Socks, and I guess when they come with the dry tech, it's pretty much like, you know, like dry fit. Maybe that's how it is. I don't know. I'm just guessing, so don't quote me on that. Anyway, yeah, so these are the 6 pair socks, which I won't need 6 pair. I literally could have bought like 2 pair and it lasts me for the next 6 months or so, but because I'm only gonna probably go hiking like once on the weekend, you know. Alright, secondly, this is a lightweight hydration biking rave for men or women. So this is the backpack pretty much. Last week I had one of those pull backpack. I don't even know how to describe it, but you know, one of those cheap backpacks with a drawstring backpack. Yeah, I had one of those, so I'm excited for this one. This one is so cute. Thumbnail. Anyway, it's so cute, guys. Honestly, I'm not a purple girly. I'm not, but you guys will see why I got a purple. I got purple. So it has 2 things for your phone, because I do have 2 phones, the one I speak on and the one that I record on, so that is good. What else we have here? This is drawstring, so you can make it smaller. I have stuff if I want to put extra water in there. I have a little slot here, a little pocket, and then, okay, this is what I'm really excited about. So it have 2 separate sections in the bag, you know, and then this is what I'm excited about. This should be, I think it's a 2-liter water jug, or water, whatever it is, whatever it's called. Yeah. And then it has the, somebody like, yeah, so this is a, wow, 72 ounces. Not bad, not bad. I love it. Now, guys, of course I have, oh, that was easy. I was about to say I have to figure out how to open it, but literally you just slide it on. You slide it on and you slide it off. And so to close it, you pull here and then you slide it on. Wait, the wrong way. Slide it on. So I will have to like clean this out and then add the water to it, and then you add it in the bag, and then you just have the hose over your shoulder. I'm a hiking girly! Yay! All right, and lastly, I'm looking at the closet and my baby just went into the closet and he's doing something he's not supposed to do. My shoes! So excited! So, and this is why I bought the purple bag. Not because I like purple, because I would have done a black. If I had an all black in these shoes, trust and believe it would be done thing. I did not get any clothes, however, because I have a lot of workout outfit and I didn't really feel like I needed shoes. I didn't feel like I needed shoes. So, ooh, I like this. It's no shoelace, it's drawstring. Look at that. All right, let's try it on. Oh, let me see. Cute. I don't know. It's so stiff. Very comfortable. Alright guys, I will catch up with you guys later or tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna record later. Record tomorrow after I get off of work, because I gotta take me a quick nap and head out for my hike. So later. Hey guys, I am 13 minutes away from my destination. I stopped about, I think it was 15 minutes away. I saw a gas station while I was driving here, so I went ahead and pulled in there and I napped for an hour. Yeah, and then I was able to use the restroom, and then now I am on my way. It's still a little bit early. It's only 7:18. I should be there by 7:30, and then I guess I'll just relax for a little bit and then wait until 8 o'clock when the hike starts. So yes, see you guys on the trail, but enjoy this view, y'all. Enjoy the view. Hey guys, oh my god, I got to the place, that the location, and I'm like, I don't see it. So I messaged the group and I'm like, I think I'm lost. So they keep sending me like address and stuff. So I'm going. I feel like I'm going to nowhere. Like I just keep going and going, right? And then I met somebody, like a guy. I guess they have like different stations and they have people out here or whatever to like secure, cut in camouflage with your guns and stuff like that. And I was like, I stopped and I asked him, I was like, hey, can you tell me? And the guy's completely lost. He's like an older gentleman, but he was so sweet. He was like, I don't think you're where you're supposed to be. So he advised that I turn back. So I turned back, and when I turned back and got back to the same location, two of the hikers were two of the hikers was there waiting, and then the organizer of the hike, he came and get us, so we're following him back to the campground now. Wow. Okay. Alright guys, I'll catch up with you guys later. Your girl is outside, we outside, going through the hills and valleys and mountains with my brand new car. Oh Lord. Hey, it's all about the adventure. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. This is always something that I wanted to do. I want to do. So I'm loving it, y'all. I'm loving it. Oh, I'm so excited. You guys don't even understand the kind of excitement I'm feeling right now. I'm doing something I love, and it's just for me. For me, for me, for me, not for my children, not for a guy, it's for me. I'm so excited. Anyway guys, let me stop. Let me stop.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that this feeling is taking over. Can we take our time? I wanna savor us. Every thought on my mind of you and I getting together. Gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya, I wanna love ya. So come on over, come on over. I wanna touch, kiss ya. The way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good. You're all I ever wanted.
Ladies and gentlemen, 14 miles, and I think it was like in 5 hours. Every inch of my body aches. Every inch of my body hurts. My head hurt, my back hurt, my booty cheeks hurt, my toes hurt, my calves hurt, my legs hurt, my hips hurt, my neck hurt. Actually, my cheeks don't hurt. Oh, that was something. 14 miles, guys. I thought I was doing 10 miles, and then I get there and they're like, he was saying 15 miles at first. I was like, oh shit. I should just let this. Or just get back in your car and drive your butt back home. No, I want to play big girl. Will I do it again? Definitely. It was amazing. I enjoyed it. I was in pain for like the last quarter, and it was walking through a lot of sand, so it was kind of difficult. So, but I enjoyed the scenery, I enjoyed the experience, I love it. I will definitely do it again. I will be back. The crew was really nice, everybody was nice, helpful, you know, good folks. But yeah, I'm about to take my hour-and-a-half trip back to my city. I was supposed to go to a volunteer event tonight. I was supposed to be at my co-worker place because we was gonna go there together. I was supposed to go and meet her there about 4:30. I'm not getting back to my house until 5. I will see. I will get the fastest I could get out my house and get ready would be 30-40 minutes. Ooh, I'm going too fast up in here. And by the time I get to a house, it will be after 6, and I don't know. I don't think we're gonna be able to make it. But I'm gonna message her right now and let her know that I'm probably not gonna be able to make it, so she could go ahead and go without me. She's probably not gonna go without me anyway. But anyway, guys, I will catch up with you guys later. Yeah, I will catch up with you guys later. I need to eat. I would love to sleep, but you know that's not happening because I still gotta go to work tonight. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later.
I can't believe we started out friends. Oh, it's like we were meant to be lovers. All I wanna do is feel you on my skin.